How to link other devices on Signal. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Signal. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then you will find all these options. Click on Linked Device, which is the second option below Account. In here, you can see your linked devices or simply click on Link a New Device. After you press on Link a New Device, press on Continue at the bottom, verify it's you, then press on OK. Allow access and you will find QR code displayed on the device. Another device, you can simply open the QR code to log into Signal. In here, you can simply scan that QR code from this phone and you will be linked. This is how to link other devices on Signal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.